Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel. I'm Mrs. Gold and you are
Gold, Mr. Gold.
M&MG. Yes everyone, so today's the day when we actually are going to do our giveaway, our 100 subscriber goal giveaway. I'm so excited. Any words, Mr. Gold?
Point. Give thanks and praises to the Almighty. Give thanks for the day. That day is big raffle. Thank you very much. Go support us. Still support us. Be safe.
Yes, I also want to say thank you and welcome to our new subscribers, and thank you to those who were with us from the start. It was so hard to get to 100, and now we're so excited where we are right now. We put up an Alkaline review video. When you get a chance, take a look at it. It was my very first review video. Did you like how I did, honey?
Bad.
And I also, thank you. And I also did another one with Cardi B, so check that one out as well. And ever since that video went up, our subscription has gone up by just about 100. Probably at 100 right now. So we are so thankful, as Mr. Gold was saying earlier, but I just want to say it again. So we were going to give away a prize when we got to 200, but now we're at 200, and we were going to announce this today to do a goal for 200. But them plans flop, eh, Mr. Gold?
Babes, the next jar, I find we have to give some money away.
Yes, I totally agree.
So we will give $200 away.
What?
200 Canadian dollar.
Wow. Okay, guys, I was expecting 100. 200. So how much subscribers should we get for $200?
400 subscribers.
That's good. That is good. Guys, can we do this? I think we could do this.
Well, go ahead, do it. You get your money.
Okay, so I'm going to lay down the rules for this new draw, and then we'll get to who are winners for this. And I think I'm gonna be nice, honey. Before I was gonna give 2 prizes away, I think I'm gonna give away 4 prizes away today since we got to 200. How about that?
No problem. That's it.
All right. Okay. I'm going to say you have to leave a comment on any one of our videos between now and the next 4 weeks. I'll come back with another date, another time when the deadline will be. So you leave a comment, say I would like to win money. Just that. And you have to be a subscriber to our channel, right babe? And you know, to verify that you are, you have to screenshot or whatever before we send this money. And you have to be living in a place that has Western Union, Cash App, or PayPal. So you'll be able to...
All about the Western Union.
Yeah, almost everyone has Western Union. So make sure you have your ID to collect it or have someone to collect it for you. And you have to be willing to give us information. So we need to send you the money, so you have to give us information for you to retrieve it. That's why it might be better to do Cash App or PayPal, because then you don't need to give too much of your personal information. So for those in US and UK, the money will still be good. But for those in other places in the world where the Canadian dollar is strong and we're doing really well right now, I'm sure you guys can need the extra change and it'll help. And it's a good thing to give during these times.
That's good money.
Yeah, especially during COVID times.
So that like close about 400 bills.
Wow. And in Jamaica, it's a good amount of money. Let me not say any further than that. So we definitely will do that. So everyone, just before I start, got the bag here for us to do the draw. And I'm gonna give it to Mr. Gold because he doesn't really know much people as I do, so I want to make sure this is a fair draw, and you know, he's more a stranger. But he is wearing our t-shirt that we are giving away. M&MG, Mr. and Mrs. Gold YouTube channel. And you know, we're also gonna be giving away a tote bag, which I'll insert a picture here. And we're going to start the draw now. Do you want to go a little closer with that t-shirt there, Mr. Gold, and show them?
You see it?
Yeah. Perfect. You here?
No, give me this.
Mr. Gold, take it. You should try to get a wide view so I can see. So, Mr. Gold, you pull the name, and then you can give to me to read.
This is the jar.
And he wanted to be fair. He told me to get a deeper bag.
Next jar is not money alone, no. T-shirt and the bag too.
Yes, we'll give that to like the second runner-up and the third runner-up, maybe. We'll see.
So, first.
Okay, so the first person named draw is Jay. Now, this is not Jay Skull, it was a Jay from Jamaica. So, Jay from Jamaica, congratulations, you are a winner. You can make a decision if you want the bag or the t-shirt. Let's go next. Okay, Miss DETTA. Miss DETTA, congratulations. You are a winner of a bag or a Mr. and Mrs. Gold t-shirt. I think she left a comment one time that she wanted to actually buy our t-shirt or bag. She wanted something. So congratulations, you end up winning one instead. Thank you very much for supporting us. Mr. Gold, who's next? Kid, this one always keeps saying he's gonna win, he's gonna win, he's gonna win. Congratulations, kid. You won. That's a good thing I never picked it. Congratulations. And our last winner, Mr. Gold. Let's see who it is. Last but not least, because there'll be more in the future. It's exciting. Okay, Mr. Gold, shake it up one last time. Let's see who the final winner is. Ooh,
final winner.
It's exciting. Been waiting for this for so long. How many months? Wow. Can't believe it's here. Fox. Chef Fox from DMR News. Thank you very much, Fox, for entering. Congratulations. And he's in Jamaica. So Kid and Miss DETTA, I believe, are in America. And Jay and Fox are in Jamaica. So, you know, we need some more St. Vincent and people around the world to enter the next competition as well. So here are our winners. Thank you, Mr. Gold. That was so much fun. Wow.
I want to know from my wife who is we supporters, with #1 supporter, and we channel.
Oh, the person who supports us the most and shares our video. I know.
Exactly.
DMR News. CV.
CV.
Yeah.
I need to give CV something.
Oh, honey, that's so sweet.
I need to give CV a bag and a wife Kish out to CV and back for your wife.
Oh my God, that's so sweet. Oh, I hear that, CV.
Still support we.
Yes, CV supports us.
Big up yourself every time.
All the
Respect
time.
CV.
Helping
Large
us.
Up yourself. Big up everyone who take part in this.
Yeah.
Big up everyone who all time big way up. Respect. And CV, enough respect to your channel.
Yes.
Big up every time.
Yes, big up to all the channel members on DMR News. They're the ones who help lift up our channel and get our channel going. And thank you to all the new members as well again.
Thank you guys.
Yes.
Respect.
Respect. We love you all. And you know what? We always want to make sure, I know time's up, but I just want to say we always want to make sure that we try to help the people who help us. So we would do these things to try to show our love back to them.
Of course.
And we just want you to know that we're not going to stop it ever.
That you have to do. Help people.
Oh my goodness, Mr. Gola, how can I forget? I forgot to tell them Happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah, Valentine's Day.
Yes, Happy Valentine's Day. So you know what I think I'm going to do? Right now, after this video, I'm going to show some previous photos and videos of us celebrating Valentine's Day. Why not?
Enough wanna make love. Today is Lover's Day.
Yes, it is Lover's Day.
Go make a love, nothing wrong with that.
Yes. And if you know what, and Valentine's Day, you don't always have to have a lot of money or a lot of things to give someone. Sometimes the simplest things matter, like just cooking dinner and just spending time with the person that you love, because time could be short.
Love is the key.
All right. Thank you and enjoy this video. Bless. So everyone, that's it. See Mr. Gold around me. So thank you for watching Mr. and Mrs. Gold YouTube channel. Take care. And remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and look out for the next video. Bless.
Out.
Subscribe, hit the notification bell to be updated with new videos, share, and like. Thanks.